So I just got back from my personal trainer. Just gonna take my shoes off because they're super squeaky. And I need to do some straightening up because the cleaners are coming today. I like to make sure my place is straightened because I want the cleaners to focus on actual cleaning. So spend a little time with me while I clean up this mess.
So while we do that, I just want to give a little insert to, a lot of people think that, when house cleaners come over, you're paying them to clean. But I actually like for them to deep clean. I like for them to be able to focus on wiping down counters, cleaning the mirrors, mopping the floor. I know that when I get um, when I'm cleaning, I will get like fatigued if I have to do a lot of straightening. So what I try to do is make sure that they can come in and just really be able to clean like I want them to clean without getting fatigued. So I just try to straighten up my entire house before they come. And I just feels like the cleaning goes faster and I'm more satisfied with what they do. They do come in the mornings, so they're usually here at 8, out by 5. I don't have a huge home. It's like, I don't know if it's huge to other people, but it's like 2,000 square feet. And they do a maintenance cleaning, which means that, they mop, they wipe down, they clean the bathrooms, they clean almost all the surfaces and things like that. So I really want them to focus on that. So I just pick up all my stuff, and I usually do it the morning of, because I'm an extreme procrastinator. So when I get up, I do that. I clean, I move things around. I pull out the cleaning products that I have a preference for them using so that they don't have to purchase, even though they would rather use it. And they use my vacuum cleaner too, because I have a thing about that. I don't know what that is, but I just want them to use my vacuum cleaner. So here I am, almost done picking up and getting ready for them to come. I'll be in my office working while they do what they need to do. And now I just thought about it. I didn't wash my sheets. Holy crap. Anyway, so thanks for watching my video.
And just like that, we are ready for the cleaners to come. I'm not going to wipe anything down or anything like that because the cleaners are going to do all that. I'm just clearing so they can focus on cleaning.